We have here the Queen of Pentacles energy. I do pick up that this is you. Very loving, very nurturing, okay? Maalaga, no? And this is you, no? You feel like that you've already found the right one for you. Like you're holding on to this coin, meron ka ritong kinakapitan, no? Na parang ito na yung person na gusto ko talaga forever, ito na talaga yung gusto kong makasama forever, and I do feel na siya na nga talaga, no? With this Queen of Pentacles energy, you love that person, and you're seeing yourself being with that person, no? Ng maraming maraming taon. At yung kapanatagan mo ay bigla na lamang nasira with the Five of Wands energy. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, look at that. It looks like your person is walking away from you, no? Itong nagbabaga na to ay parang yan, paupos na yung apoy, no? In short, parang papatay na, no? Palamlam na, no? It's the flame of love. At bakit nga ba ito lumalamlam? Yun ang ating kailangang alamin. Mm. Okay. Hmm. I think this is your energy, the Two of Coins to the Eight of Swords energy. But looks like there's another energy right here na parang nagiging isang fox, no? So, let me get more. Yeah, look at that. See, we now have the devil and oh, the devil right beside the Ten of Swords energy. Diba? This is unbelievable, guys. Look at that. See? Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Kaya naman pala eh. No? Bottom of the deck, we've got right here for you. Collective is the Seven of Cups energy, Six of Swords, and there you go. The Three of Swords energy. Look at that. See? Wow. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome here sa ating mga returning na tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay. And i-welcome natin ang ating mga bagong salta dyan. Thank you so much mga new subscribers, newbies. Tuloy, welcome. You can also bring your other loved ones here. Thank you so much. And yes, kung hindi nyo pa knows mga babes, naman pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan, then go ahead, you can do that. No, basta just take only the messages na nag-resonate for you. And kung hindi naman, just leave the rest behind kasi baka yun ay para naman sa ating other viewers. And yes, wala rin po tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch at magkapalit-palit yung mga roles because ito ay isang general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, malaya kayong gamitin ng inyong free will like it's up to you kung gusto ninyong i-claim yung mga mensahe at gawin itong guidance or not, no? And timeless din po ang lahat ng ating mga energy readings. Kaya naman, posibleng ito ay tapos na, like nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na ngayon, at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lamang. But I do see that this is you. It looks like nagkakaroon rito, no, ng parang wala kang control sa isang sitwasyon. And it looks like a relationship right here. So it looks like nauubusan ka na rito ng alas. Nauubusan ka na rito ng options, no? You're trying all your best, no? All your might right here to save this relationship. It looks like this is you. You're also wondering, nagtataka ka rin na nahihiwagaan ka rin with the Two of Pentacles energy. And there's this Eight of Swords. I do see that this is you. Mukhang wala at nawawalan ka ng isang kontrol sa isang sitwasyon na dati ay may kontrol ka naman or kaya mo, kontrolado mo noon. No? But now, I'm seeing you like you're worried right here. There's also fear, pag-aalala, may takot din dito. So, I do see that this is you, okay? Hihingi ka na ng tulong dito sa ibang tao, no? So I think your relationship right here is falling apart with your person, and I'm seeing that this is your last na alas, no? So I do pick up that with this nine of wands energy, full card energy, eight of wands right here. This is now your last movement, no? So ginawa mo na yung lahat ng makakaya mo, no, para ma-fix yung situation with your person, but it looks like you do not know paano nagsimula na mag-fall apart or mag-messed up ang inyong relationship, but now you're seeing yourself because of your worried, because you're having fear, no? You're frightened right here na mag-end ang inyong connection, okay? Magte-take ka na ng risk, magte-take ka na ng chance. You will now talk to the closest person ngayon ng iyong lover. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko na hindi mo pa ex ito, pero you are already seeing the end of your connection because everything looks like falling apart right here. So, you're trying to save, okay, and you're making taya your all, no? With the full card energy, no? But look at that. We've got the devil right next to this ten of swords energy, and we have here the five of wands. So I do pick up that the person you're trying to ask for help, no? Eh, nakikita ko rito na mukhang itong tao na to, no, ay nililihis kayo. Yan, no? Alam mo kung sino ito, hindi ko nakikita na ito ay ang kanyang best friend. Like, hindi ko nakikita na ito ay kanyang long time ago na kaibigan. No? It looks like close sila kamakailan lamang. So, pwedeng ito ay kailan niya lang nakilala pero close na sila ngayon. So, you are also thinking that there's something here might be going on, but your person keeps on denying it, no? And now, nauubusan ka na rito ng iyong options, wala ka ng choice, but to ask for help dun sa taong pwedeng pinaghihinalaan mo rin, no? So it looks like this is you. You're trying to believe your person that there's nothing going on sa kanilang dalawa. So you're holding on to this faith that this person will help you. But it looks like the devil happens to be the mistress, kalukadibang, the kabit, the ahas right here. Kaya niya kayo inililihis dito, no, dahil siya po yung traidor. We have here the traitor, Ten of Swords energy. Yeah, this is the reason she or he is the dahilan with the Tower card energy kung bakit biglang nag-fall apart ang inyong connection, kung bakit biglang nawalan ka ng control with your partner, kung bakit biglang parang naging magulo ang inyo ritong maayos na pagsasama because of this devil. Nakamakailan niya lang rito mga babes, no, nakilala. At kung sino man itong devil na to, mukhang siya ay balimbing because mukhang nagkaroon sila ng usapan na wala munang aamin dito, no? Like they're both denying this relationship, that like they're both trying to hide their connection, that there's something really going on, no? Sa kanilang dalawa, no? Because it looks like it's kind of complicated right now. No matter what your situation is, it looks like this two ay may pag-uusap na parang saka na lang nila i-reveal. So hanggat kayang i-deny, i-deny. So nakita ko rito na silang dalawa ay posibleng may ganun na pag-uusap with the devil, eight of wands energy, but it looks like the person na inaasahan mong mag-ayos ng inyong relationship at kakausap para maliwanagan ang iyong person is hindi ganun yung gagawin or ginagawa, no? And you feel like, no, na parang yung mga advice niya rito, no, instead of bringing you and your person together, like bumalik ang inyong dating pagsasama, instead of giving meaningful advices and helpful advices to you, this ahas right here tends to be using yung mga nice words pero pinalalayo kayo with your person. Hayaan mo na muna siya, be. Collective, pabayaan mo na muna siya, maganda, magkaroon muna kayo ng time apart, yan. Alam mo yung gumagamit siya ng mga magandang salita na minsan yung pagkakalayo ninyong dalawa, yun din yung way para magkabalikan kayong dalawa, no? So, may mga advice siya na tunog concern siya, pero yung totoo, isa siyang traitor. Di ba nakakabwisit? Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to, no, siya yung dahilan kung bakit rito kayo nag-end up, no? Lumalabas na ito yung energy ng person mo. Tignan mo yun, no? Oh. Knight of Cups energy. Your person is having dates, no, with this devil na hiningan mo rito ng payo, no? And look at that, no? Your person ay may dala ritong mga rosas, no? At yung person mo na hindi ka naman binibigyan ng mga flowers or hindi ka binibilhan rito ng chocolates, no? Or kahit na anumang mga little things that will make your heart flatter, okay? Is ginagawa niya with this devil, no? So with this other person, no, your person is, kung gaano siya ka-sweet dito sa new person na nakilala niya, no, ganun siya ka-bitter na approach pagdating sa inyo. No, so look at that, your person here, pwedeng pinagagastusan niya pa yan with the Six of Pentacles energy, no. Your person is trying to be generous, no. Posibleng yung ulam niyo hotdog, pero yan, nililibre niya pa yan sa steak. Kayo tubig lang, no, pero siya naka-Starbucks, 'di ba? Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to, no, ito ngayon yung kinahuhumalingan ng person mo and tama ka, no? Ayaw mo sanang paghinalaan at gusto mo pa rin paniwalaan yung person mo that wala namang namamagitan sa kanila, no? Pero tama ang intuition mo. That is why, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na huwag ninyong baliwalain ang intuition ninyo, mga babes, because your intuition, when it speaks to you, it means something, no? And you're right, because your intuition is telling you that there's something here going on between them, and you are right. So I do pick up, no, that this already confirms na meron talagang namamagitan and meron talaga silang connection na mas malalim at relasyon, no? Yeah, mga babes, I heard it right. This new person is with the word new. Kailan niya lang yan nakilala, no? In short, miss yan sinasabi na pinagpalit niya ako sa bago. Sa kailan niya lang nakilala. Well, oo, yan o. Yan yung nakikita ko dito at yun rin naman yung nafe-feel mo, no? So, nakikita ko dito yung iba, mga babes, no? Hindi mo pa ito agad malalaman because like what I've told you, they're trying to hide this connection, no? At saka na lamang, mga babes, no? Para hindi sila magmukhang masama, especially your person right here, no? But meron din akong nakukuha na ibang mga energies na posibleng hindi lang yung person mo, yung may kakonek na ikaw, no? Pero meron ring posibleng kakonect, no? Yung kanya ritong third party. Yan, no? In short, mga babes, no? They're waiting for that scheduled or right time, no? Para i-reveal ang kanilang relationship. It looks like they're waiting right here, no? Na parang maging planchado muna yung ibang mga situations bago nila iladlad ang kanilang relasyon, no? See? Now, this devil who appears to be the third person na may hinala ka na pero hindi ka pa as in 101% sure, Seven of Cups energy, Six of Swords right here, Three of Swords. Nakikita ko na ginugulo at patuloy niyang guguluhin yung isipan mo rito, no? Para lumayo ka na sa yung person, no? So, mas lalo lang niya ritong pinapahirapan yung situation kasi you are wanting to save your relationship with the Three of Swords energy, no? Pero yun nga, mga babes, no? Yung pabor niya rito, no, nakakausapin ko, sige, kakausapin ko yung person mo para maliwanagan siya, para magkaayos na rin talaga kayong dalawa, no. So, kahit ganun yung sinabi niya sa'yo, it's the contrary, it's the kabaliktaran ng kanya ritong pinaparating sa yung person, no? Ay naku, kinausap na naman ako ni Collective, talagang mapilit siya, no? Bakit ba kasi hindi mo na lang siya diretsahin, yan, no? So, may mga ganun rin sila rito. Alam mo yung energy ng, third person, no? Dual, no? May pagka-duality ito, no? Ibig sabihin, mabait siya pagkaharap mo siya, no? Pero maldita siya, demonita siya, o demonyo siya, no? Pag nakatalikod ka. Yeah, traitor energy. Okay? So, you're dealing here with the ahas, no? And you feel it already, no? So, don't, wag ipagbahala ang inyo ritong intuition, no? Wag niyong i-ignore, don't ignore, no, ang inyong intuition because your intuition is pointing you that this person right here, no, is tinutulungan kang ilayo sa iyong person. So, yeah, mga babes, ito yung mga mensahe na nakuha natin here for you guys. If this is your reading, thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on Sarang Hiyo, Love and Light. Ayun.